Can PayPal see your transaction if you delete the app? So yes, PayPal can still see your transactions if you delete the app. Deleting the app only removes the software from your phone. Your data stays safe on PayPal's main computer servers. Now, if you want to stop using PayPal completely, you have to close your account or cancel active payments first. Now, to close your PayPal account permanently, transfer all remaining money to your bank account first, then clear any pending transactions, open disputes or negative balances, and remove your linked bank accounts and credit cards. Once you do that, go to the PayPal website in one of your phone's web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then navigate to PayPal login page and then log into your account. Then tap the menu in the top left corner, then tap settings right next to the logout button, then select account option, then scroll down, then tap close your account, then enter your bank account number if prompted to verify your identity, then tap close account to confirm it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.